Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1979 Mercedes 560 SL. Beautiful car, finished in gray with a gray leather interior. Car is all original. Just had a complete service done. Tune-up, new cap, rotors, rotor, plugs, wires, fuel sending unit, brand new tires, brakes were done. Not only the brakes, but the brake lines and everything were done on this car. You don't see him in this color often. Runs and drives beautiful. Always garage kept and collector owned. Beautiful straight body. No rust, no issues at all. Ready to go. Beautiful interior. Absolutely no signs of wear. Showing 75,329 miles. Everything works too. Runs perfect. All serviced and ready to go. Like a brand new car. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.